We are in the middle of nowhere, a temporary island inside Indian Ocean. You can see the water there is coming back. A lot of water is coming back. This place was dry land a few minutes ago. Right now, it is being covered by water. And you can see the water is coming very fast, and our boat is not here. It is at the other end there coming. Ni Sam, ni vile hiyo ni kubwa. Cheki. Hey, baba una samaki. Unaona faki? Unaona samaki? Ana samaki nakula ndio yeye nakula. Unaona samaki mingi. Hii ni tilapia unaona. So calm. This is amazing. You can see that's the beach over there. All of it. And that's the ocean. To the far end. So we are just cleaning up. We want to take a boat ride to an island today. Enjoy there. Come back. Then do other few stuffs. So Jason. Niaje? My little man is here trying to brush his teeth. Unafanya nini? Unasugua meno? Okay. Na mama naye anafanya nini? Acha tuone mama naye anafanya nini. Jaribu. Cynthia anatafuta hot water. Oh, nataka shower. Actually, this is our washroom, so that's where we shower from. Toilet here, then the cleanup area. Then we have a very big mirror here. Yeah? Tende. Twende. Okay, twende basi nikuweke pale. Ngoja. Leta. Okay. This guy is telling me to put in some toothpaste there. Haya, twende basi. Twende. Uko na mama? Unasema nini baba? Nishakuwekea hii yenye nimekuwekea imetosha. Sawa baba. So guys, we just want to clean up ourselves and then go have our breakfast. Our boat actually will be waiting for us anytime from 9:40. So we have to do it real quick so that we won't miss it. So guys, let us just clean up ourselves, and then we shall continue from there. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new here, and if you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you comment, like and share. Comment, like and share. More awesome videos are still coming, and I'm still going to do videos after videos. Stay put. Hi guys, I'm back again. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new here, and if you're already my subscriber, make sure you like, comment and share. Like, comment and share. Just drop a sweet comment below this video and I will appreciate that. So we are done cleaning up ourselves, and Jason is also there. We just want to go and have our breakfast and then leave for the island. Yeah, our boat will be at 10 a.m. I know that guy is almost calling me. So we booked yesterday. Right now, there's something going out there. Actually, the ocean water is not there. They usually say that the ocean has gone to take a walk. But now the water has displaced. It's not there. People are just walking down there. We are still in our hotel room, and let us go grab breakfast and then just go start our daily activities. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new, and if you are already my subscriber, make sure you comment, share and like. Comment, like and share. Okay, so let us just go and have our breakfast. I'll be back, change my attire that much, just walking. You know, I can't go in water with these clothes. Yeah, this is how I look today. Cynthia is over there. I think Cynthia is okay with that. But this guy is I think he's okay with that. 20. So guys, let us go and get our breakfast. 20. Twende baba. So this is outside my hotel room. This is our room 213. So guys, we are just getting out of our hotel room, and we are just going to have our breakfast to the other side there. Hey, kumbe unakumbuka? Good boy. Yeah, mom. So guys, we are going to take our lift here. Actually, we are on second floor. You just take our lift there, go down, go to the other side, and have our breakfast. Kuja baba, twende. Kuja. Twende kwa lift. Sikia naimba kikama. Actually, this lift is so amazing. It has some music inside there. Very good music. Yeah. You can hear this lift has some good music. It keeps you entertained. Tumefika ground floor. Okay, twende baba. Bobe. Bo? Good boy. Tunaende hapa. Pole pole. Pole pole. Mwoga. Na leo umetokea ni aje? Leo umetokea. Naona wanatengeneza swimming pool pale. Na clean. Swimming pool inakuwa na kazi. Huko kuna kazi nikaa kulinyesha usiku ba. Kulinyesha. Naona nilianza kusikia baridi. Hey. Guys, it rained here. We still have some drizzles. Sindio? Sema Bobe. Nakumbuka mahali tuliingilia ni hapa. Bobe. Sema Bobe. Morning. Thank you. 2:13. All right. Twende tuoshe mkono dadi. Twende tuoshe mkono. Mkono. Mvua imenyesha. Okay. So guys, let us clean up our hands. Yeah, you know, they are strict. We have to follow some COVID protocols. We have to wash our hands before going and serve ourselves with tea. Hiyo ni kitu. Ziko kweli. Sisi hapa chini kama uko na maana. Sawa. Nikija tu siku moja tunaenda kunyara hivi. Morning. Ndio kwanza huyu jamaa hapa. Bobe. Mvua inanyesha. Haya, sema hi guys. Hi guys. Subscribe. Sema vizuri. Subscribe. Subscribe. Good boy. Unakula nini? Unakula nini baba? Unakula nini? What are you having? Unakula nini baba? Unakula nini? Kishan. Unakula nini? Ngoja mapema ungechukulia hizi sausage. Na zetu. And the end of the serve. Utatuletea? Chai. Aya, rudisha hii hapa. Imepona sasa? Imepona? Imepona? Imeacha kumuma? Okay. Sawa. Inamuma wapi? Ati inauma wapi baba? Hapo. Imeacha kumuma? Imeacha kumuma? Kula sausage. Kula forky. Alafu ushibe, si ndio? Si ndio? Sawa. Umegeta. Watu wanasema ngaji. We are coming from having our breakfast. We just wanna freshen up ourselves and change so that we can go to the sea for a boat ride, up to another island. And actually in Mombasa it has really rained here. I don't know if in other parts it's raining. It's raining. You can see the floor there down there, the way it's looking like. Yeah, even a few minutes ago it was actually raining. So let us now get to back to our room, get ourselves ready and leave for the island. So guys, we're back in our hotel room and we want to dress. Just go in the sea there for a boat ride. Guys, this place is super cool and people are enjoying. People are really enjoying. You can see some people down there at the ocean, at the shores actually. Right now the ocean is roaring from far. The noise is not that much, but when the water is back, that's when it will now be roaring loudly. I can see some guys there cleaning the ocean, the shores, because you know when the ocean tides are actually active, they normally come along with some leaves, dust. You see that line? Those are leaves. You will see. We are going down there. So guys, we are going to have a boat ride and enjoy ourselves. Jason, kuja tuingie kwa lift. Kuja tuingie kwa lift tuende. Our boatman has already called me. He's out there at the shores. So we are going to meet him and right. Twende baba. Yes, wacha tutembee kwa island kidogo. Yeah. Sasa umekuwa mzee. So we are going to set into the sea and just see how things go down there. Yes. Mvua imenyesha. Yeah, it has actually rained here. I don't know. I thought it would be sunny all throughout the day, but this morning we woke up and it rained. It also rained at night. So the sea is right ahead of us, just a few meters, like 50 meters ahead of us. You can see people already enjoying the waters there. Twende hapa baba. Twende tupande boat. Yeah, so behind me is our hotel and our room is over there. Yeah, it's a nice place. This is where we had our meals. Tunaona wale wanatembea kwa maji saa hii wale. Wako fiti. Twende enjoy. Twende enjoy bwana. Guys, you can see people are already in the sea and right now it is around 9:50. Almost 10. What a mom. This is where we enjoyed our day yesterday when we arrived. Usikanyage mchanga baba. Kuja. Ndio ule jamaa mwenyewe. Leta mkono. Unataka kutest hiyo mchanga? Twende. Imeacha. Si nilikwambia tutatafuta rungu tuichape. Iache kuuma mtoto. Ali, good morning. Oh. maji ilienda kutembea.
Kabisa na mpaka saa 8 leo.
So guys, I'm being told that the water will be back at its normal levels at 2 p.m. You can see people are walking inside. There's no water here. Na ile side naona kuna stripe ya white.
Kule sasa ndio deep sea high. Kivuka hiyo sasa uko deep.
Wow. Kuna kitu ina separate pale kama coral reefs.
Na coral reef hapo natural.
Mbio. Yeah. Tuna baba. Tunaenda. Tuna baba. Mbio. So guys, right now we are actually board our boat there and go to the island. Right now we don't have water here. You see where we are walking right now? There was no water. There was a lot of water here yesterday. If you remember, I told you that the tides of the waves were very, very, very high. So we could not even swim here where I'm walking right now. It was a lot of water which would actually cover me. Try kumkunja kidogo akanyage hapo maji. Kunja mguu. Kunja long. So ni sisi peke yetu kwa boat. So guys, actually the boat is ours only per family, and our ticket is there. I see the guy who went to book for our ticket is there. He's already back. Let him go no. Yeah, maji safi. Clean water kabisa.
A few moments later.
So guys, we are trying to ride on this boat, but there was rain. It was really raining here, so we just stopped. You can see how this boat is looking like now. So it was raining and we just had to stop fast. You can see people are also trying to board a boat there. Let me zoom in. You see those people? They also want to go where we are going, to the island. You see those people? All of that family is going to board a certain boat there. Yeah, but for us, we've only booked for only the 3 of us. Only our family. Our boat guy is there coming. Actually, right here, the water is so shallow. You can see the ocean bed. I know you can see the ocean bed down there. The water is just it's not deep. You can see even these the level of water here. It's not that deep. Imeisha?
Nakwambia mvua ilikuwa ni wingu linapita. Au linapita sasa lazima ingishe kidogo alafu stop. Na hapa sasa unaona niko na hii mkikaa hivi hata kinyesha nikistop boat hamwezi nyeshewa.
Unajua jamaa mwenye naangalia sana ni haka kajamaa kangu haka.
Anajua kabisa wewe hawezi guswa na maji kabisa wewe.
Hapa sio mzee uingie kwanza. Utakaa pale.
Mama amekuwa tena. Hapana, sikupata kuliko mama. ya mwenzake. Hakuna pende kufa, kuna watu wanapenda kufa, unasikia? Kuna watu wanapenda kufa. Weka comfort boti kawaida yake, na tunamwona ule popo akishika juu ya nini, wanakana ning'inia. Waanguki ndivyo walivyombea, yani ameomba maumbile yao yani tu.
But Naivasha tulikuwa huko. But hiyo boat ilikuwa nini sana kushinda hii. Alafu ilikuwa mrefu. Inakaa plastic hivi, karibu kama ile ya diving ile.
Ilikuwa more worrying ama more comfortable.
Alafu viti zimewekwa vile. Unaenda na hizi cruiser za nini? Za tours and travel hizi. Unaona vile viti za hizo cruiser zimepangwa. Hiyo boat ilikuwa inakaa hivyo. Ilikuwa mnakaa mna face penye mnaenda. Kukiwa na upepo mingi unaweza geuka uface. Tumekuja tukafika hapa, kwa hiyo hii stuff ina float hapa. Tukapiga kona.
Kona?
Mvua. Hii mvua tu ya saa hii tu hii umeiona hii.
Hakuzi ndio kai inanyesha?
Alirudi, I think ilikuwa maybe afunike kidogo. Hata I think ni nyingi amekuwa na pia. Because kani kuenda tungekuwa sasa hivi mbali. Tungekuwa mbali sana. Naona imekuwa deep sasa. Mbali huko chini saa hii. Umeona? Ni mbali, hii inakufunika. Angalia hapa ndani. Hii inakufunika. Una protect mtoto kwanza ndio ufikirie wewe. Baba. Haya simama basi. Simama uvae nini? Uvae jacket nzuri, si ndio? Umeona maji? Umeona maji?
Mimi sioni sana. Nani umeona sana?
Bado.
Tunakuwa mama.
Angalia hapo ndani baba, one maji. Maji. Shika hapo. Hapo. Hivyo. Hivyo. Good boy.
Hata tuende kule lami mwana. Maji yanajaa. Maji yanajaa pale kule.
Oh. Ndio hizo samaki. Ona samaki kwa maji. Ona samaki. Na zinakaa poa. Angalia samaki hapo ndani baba. Zimepita.
Hizo kai zebra zebra.
Ndio hizo. Ndio hiyo reef.
For you na give up.
Lakini usikuwe na shaka, hapa watu ni wengi. Bana. Ilifaa tulete pale. Na huyu mtoto wako ni roho juu bwana. Pole pole mama. Pole pole.